I'm here with Ollie Banks, one of the founders and the director of North Property Group, a key client of TMC Property Media. So Ollie, you've now had more than 150 sales from leads that we've generated, with transactions over £30 million from leads we supplied. Is that right, during that 2-year period?
That's correct. I checked yesterday and it was just over 30 million, 33 million, and £25 million of that has been over the last 12 months.
And you're coming off the back of a record month where you did 21 sales across 7 different projects worth about £5.5 million, just a bit more than £5.5 million.
Yeah, touching on £6 million worth of GDV sold through the leads that you generated us last month. So record month for us as a business. We were close to 50 sales for the month, and you generated 21 of them through your digital marketing efforts.
And one of the things that maybe might surprise a few people, I think around 80% of your sales have come from Facebook. Is that right?
You've also done quite well on Google and YouTube as well, I believe, but most of our budget has been concentrated on Facebook. So we know that's worked for us. You can scale it quite nicely, reach a lot of people, and we found that to be a really successful channel for us.
Last question. What would you say the best thing is about working with TMC?
You guys are easy to work with, which I think is really important. When there's so many things going on in a business, you need to be able to work with a partner who can just take the work off your hands and run with it themselves. You've got good ideas, you know what you're doing, you're clearly an expert in what you do, you're very fast at what you do and very good at what you do. Ultimately, the main thing is that you get results as well, and that's what it comes down to. It's all good having a strategy, but when you look at the end of the campaign and you see if you've made a return on your spend, that's the most important metric to us.